at it flies. I'm currently at the Northern Territory and just a few steps back and I'm in South Australia. So the other way around, but you got the idea. In all honesty, I've never seen something like this in Australia. 130 k's an hour. Alright fellas, we are officially entering the Juta National Park. It's about 5 minutes away from our campsite. We haven't booked anything, so hopefully they do have something available for the campsite. At the moment it's 6:29 local time PM. Alright guys, we just got into this AS Rock Resort, checking in for the camping. Just gonna pitch our tent somewhere here. Can't camp next to the car, so it means that we can't make the use of the awning. But yeah, let's roll. Gotta do what you gotta do, right?
This is how we end up. Shades of blue and gray. I feel just like an empty bottle. My dreams are
Majestic, majestic. I've said it already, I'm saying it again. Just majestic, just amazing that big chunk over there is just like one single rock. Like one rock. Not even a land, not even grass, not even sand. It's rock. I don't know where it came from, but it's just bloody amazing.
all the way to the rainbow's end. Just ride, and we'll never turn our backs again.
That's our bus. Do you know where we're going? Alright, where are we going at it? Field of Lights, yes.
And just as we get down from this bus, we just have 3 simple rules we'd like you to follow. The first being the entire field of light installation is a non-smoking environment.
Alright guys, just get off the bus and officially here on the Fields of Light. Right, so this is the path to get to the top of the hill. Not sure how the sunset's gonna turn out. The sky looks pretty flat at the moment. There's no cloud or anything. But I hope there's still a bit of a purplish or yellowish. Wow, it looks pretty spectacular from here already. I'll get a beer, please, man.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
This is from Perth, Rogers.
From Perth, is it?
Yep.
Oh, sweet. All right, give it a go. Thanks, buddy. Ding. What a $1 million view. And we're heading into those, what do you call it, the Field of Lights in ULURU. Okay, so this is a pathway. It's actually darker than it looks like. Look at this, so beautiful. Believe it or not, it's actually ISO 40,000. It's actually this dark.